How to get glowing text in CapCut app. If you want to know, please enjoy this video watching until at the end and follow step by step. First, click on New Project and click on Stock Video. Select on Black Background. And click on Text and then click on Add Text. And we can add the style text for "Look So Cool" and make this text colorful. When we choose the style and color already, click on Luminance and find the style of text that you want to make. And then import this video on your device. Click on New Project and import the video that you have import already. Click on Effects. And we can search for find the effect named Luminance. Finally, we got text glowing effect by easy way and take time by a few seconds. Thank you for watching this video until at the end. See you in the next video.